Hello, my wonderful SDV 100 class. I'm making a little video just to review what we went over and what is due next week. So, see if this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next Monday. Okay, so you've logged into Blackboard. You've gotten into our course, and you saw that welcome. You won't be seeing this, so let me get out of that. Let me turn that off too. Okay, so we've got to the announcement. It's always going to open to the announcement page. You've got faculty information, and that's where I'm located, and you can read about me. Whatever I said in class, I think is verified here. Then we've got our course syllabus, and we were supposed to be able. Then we've got our course syllabus. Click on that, and be sure you download it. I handed out all the copies in class, so you should have it, but it repeats the information about office hours. I do want you to read this very carefully, as we will have a quiz on the syllabus next week. The nature of the course. Remember, we said no late assignments will be accepted. And I did say to you, if you have a true emergency, email me, and I think we can work it out. Those are what all the assignments we're going to be doing. I said they're all valid assignments and will help you get through college and really learn on how to manage your own college career. Again, remember I said, though, talk to your advisor. Everyone has a full-time faculty advisor at Fauquier campus. So even if you go into with student success, contact your advisor as well. All right, then you're looking at the attendance policy. Read through that, LFCC policies. We talked about important dates and the fact that if you don't withdraw from a course, you will get an F for a course, and that stays on your transcript forever, even if you retake the course. So any questions on that, please ask me. And then these are your assignments. We meet in class. This is what we talk about in class, which we did on Monday. These are all the assignments you need to complete before we meet on next Monday. And as I said, if you're going to ask me about assignments, do so well before next Monday. I will not answer you 3 hours before the class on what is due or what confusion you have. You need to manage your assignments. So we meet next Monday, and again, this is what we'll review, which is what you did for your assignment. Then you'll be doing these for the following week when we meet. All right, let's go back to our text and course assignments. We have a free college online textbook. I do not care for the textbook, but you have certain pages to do, and this is what we have right now, and so this is what we'll use. All right, you will be reading the pages noted on the assignment, and when I say complete the activities, these are the activities I'm talking about. You do not have to print out the pages. You can complete it yourself. You can write the answers down. You are not handing it in, but each week we will have a quiz on these activities that you did in the pages I've requested you to read and go over. So, any questions on that, let me know. Okay, back to, do you really understand the assignment? We'll talk about that next week. The assignments you do have, which are on the syllabus, you have to read the Chapter 1, pages 2 to 17, complete all the activities, either online or by notes. Again, you're not handing it in, but you will be quizzed on it. You need to do the Blackboard discussion board. I'll go to that in a minute. That's where you're introducing yourself. Complete college resource and policy survey. All right, we're going to see that on Blackboard. Let's take a look right now. All right. College resources and policies. Click on that folder, and this is what I'm telling you to do. Upload and submit the answers to, and as I said, there were actually 15 questions now. Find one policy on the LFC website, write it up. This must be your work. I said, do not copy someone else's work. If someone else walks around the campus and finds our resources, and I find out about it, you automatically fail the course, because that's plagiarism. So click on that. It'll download, depending on what browser you're using or what computer. It usually comes down at the bottom there. And you are to answer all these questions. All right, and this is to get you oriented to the campus. Again, I said you can write it on here if you want. You can print this out and write it. You can list numbers 1 through 15 and put the answers on it. Fine. But you're going to answer the questions, and then you're going to, you see this little arrow or ruler and pencil? That always means an assignment upload. So you go click on that, and it's a repeat of what you're doing. And as I said, I would prefer you copy and paste your answers right in here, or you can write it on document, open document, Microsoft document, doesn't matter. And then you're going to browse your computer, all right, find it, and click on it, and make sure you submit, all right? So let's go back to what else you got to do. You need to find one policy in the student handbook on our LFCC website. I need you to locate that because you do need to know that. And then again, you can click on that, and you can put both answers to the 2 questions if you want. Cut and paste it in here, or save it on one document and upload it. And again, hit submit. This is not going to submit because I didn't have anything. Alright, so let's go back to text and course books. You saw where the textbook is. You saw the folder for college resource and policies, what you have to do. And then you also have to do a student example. The LFCC Focus is our online, I put page, but online newsletter for upcoming events. And there's a Fauquier campus one, and there's a Middletown one. You can also get this through the website. So you need to attend one activity on campus and write it up. So writing it up, and activity means anything. It's a lunch hour. They usually have activities, pizza, some talk, some activity, whatever it is. You need to at least be familiar with college life and campus things that we do. And again, you'll click on, there it is, that little ruler and pencil. Click on that and upload it there. I said if you want to do both of them, that's fine too, under one submission. Alright, next you have to do the discussion board. And we had introductions in class, but this time you get to write about yourself. And I tell you what to do here. So go to click on the forum, and then look at all these people already did it. Good things. Create a thread, write about me, and then write yourself up. And if you can't, attach a picture. Remind me of your lovely faces. And then again, submit it. Alright. And you also need to, let me go back to the discussion board. You also need to reply to 2 others. And you can do that by, let's take Michaela. Am I saying that right, Michaela? Okay. And there she is. Oh, and look at that. It's gorgeous. And a picture. And then you click reply and you say, aren't you gorgeous? And thanks. Okay. And then again, make sure with Blackboard you got to submit everything. I think it's going to let me submit. Yep. Alright. And then my submission is shown. Alright. So, I think that got tools are my grades. As I said, I will comment on everything you do. I will put something in Blackboard. So you go to my grades. I'm not in here. Your name will appear in every one of our assignments. Names will appear on the left-hand side. My comments will appear down the right-hand side. I'll try to put one in for me so you can see. Okay. I think I went over everything. Again, email me with any questions, and I'll see you next Monday.